In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits in Suno AI. Suno uses a simple credit system. Every time you generate a song, extend a track, or remix something, credits are spent. So the goal is to know how to see what you have, how to get more, and how to stretch them further. Start by checking your current balance so you can plan. Open Suno AI, log in, and click your profile icon. From there, go to Settings or Manage Subscription. On that page, you'll see your remaining credits, your monthly credit limit, and the renewal date. Knowing that renewal date helps you decide whether to wait for the reset or upgrade sooner. If your balance doesn't look right, refresh the page or sign out and back in to pull the latest numbers. If you regularly run out, consider upgrading your plan. Higher tiers typically include more monthly credits, faster generation, and on certain plans, commercial usage rights. Head to the official pricing page to compare options and confirm the details for your region and currency. Choose the plan that matches how often you create. If you only need a bump now and then, a modest tier might be enough. If you're producing frequently, a higher tier will save you interruptions. If you're not ready to upgrade, you can also wait for the monthly credit reset. Most paid plans refresh automatically each month on your renewal date. Free plans may receive limited daily or periodic credits depending on Suno's current system, so check your account to see what applies to you. Make your credits go further with a few habits. Draft stronger prompts before you hit generate so you don't burn credits on vague ideas. Reuse what works by saving your best prompt templates and tweaking them instead of starting from scratch. When you like a direction but want more length, try extend instead of remaking the entire song. And avoid rapid fire, random testing. A moment of planning usually saves multiple generations. Keep an eye out for promotions. Suno occasionally offers bonus credits, seasonal promos, referral campaigns, or plan discounts. Watch official announcements, email updates, and the Discord or community pages so you don't miss limited time offers. Finally, steer clear of anything promising free or unlimited credits outside official channels. Hacked tools, fake generators, and suspicious extensions can steal your account, break the rules, and get you suspended. Stick to the methods we covered, and you'll manage your Suno credits confidently and safely.